There are hundreds of tiny gnomes hiding around Wrocław. And today, we're using a map to see how many we can find. We came to Wrocław for the old town, but somehow ended up chasing tiny gnomes across the city.
Well. Welcome to Wrocław, and we are on a hunt for the coolest thing in Wrocław. We just got our map. It was 15 Polish, which is like €3, and we are now going to find some of the coolest little things within this city.
Are you ready to hunt gnomes or gnomos in the whole city? Well, we got the map and we are more than ready.
We have just a few of them.
Oh my god, there are
Just a few.
1,300 in the whole city. We are, of course, not going to walk everything, but we are going to show you the best ones, or the cutest ones.
The most important ones.
They're officially WROCLAW dwarves, but to us, this quickly became a gnome hunt.
And we found the first one!
The original.
oldest one, the original.
The original. This is Papa Gnome.
He's so big! He's
Yeah.
so big!
He's the most original, I think the most famous, and the biggest.
The biggest. And it looks like the one that has been touched for the most.
Yeah, look at this.
It is massive.
It's really cool, really cool.
The story goes back to the 1980s, when a protest movement called the Orange Alternative used dwarf drawings and absurd humor to push back against communist rule. Decades later, Wrocław turned that symbol into tiny bronze characters all over the city.
I don't know if it's for good luck, but I'm touching them all the time. And look, I'm not the only one. They are very scratchy already. There are so many. And it's not like you put it in Google, like, hey, give me the gnomes, and they are going to show you a pad or something. So it's very old school. That's part of the experience. This is the one that had five. High five, Mati.
Secret handshakes. They're everywhere. Like no matter where you go, every turn, there is a new gnome or dwarf.
He's a programmer. Míralo con la computadora, he's a computer. That's so cool. It's so cool. It's a digital nomad, people.
Time to find the banker. Much like the programmer, we have the banker. And guess what? I'm looking at his keyboard. Stocks are going up on the monitor. Look at this. They're so cute.
Oh my god, this has an airplane. That must be like the Traveler or something, right? What is this?
Don't know.
D-Tech, look, it has a map with literally the world, and then a truck. It looks like the cars from London, ¿sabes? Como the buses from London. The double-decker. And then the plane. I like this one. I keep touching them as they come, like, look.
Once we found the first few, it became impossible to walk normally. Every corner, every doorway, and every sidewalk suddenly looked suspicious.
They did it on purpose. That was the fun drinking one, but they blocked it in a bar and they won't let you in. That's not very nice.
But we found another one. Oh my god, it's so windy. I look like crazy person.
Go say. Like a safety box, an actual lock. No say. Something important in there.
One of the coolest things is that they are related with the location. Like, example, this is a pharmacy. And what type of gnome are you going to find? Let's see. The pharmacy gnome. I think they have a little bit of headache. Not just a little bit. This is a bakery or something like that, and you have a little gnome with croissants. They are so cute.
Look at the ATM. You want a little cash, which we're gonna need some here. You come down to the ATM note. Maybe he's got a little extra Polish for us. Dude. Awesome.
This is a bar, and of course, outside of the bar, there is one pouring a shot. Are you ready for the shots?
Like Lori said in the beginning, there are so many gnomes that every turn you make, there's a gnome. And even the lady at the counter was telling us, like, famous people are making gnomes, like basketball players and musicians and businesses. They're creating their own gnomes. So it turned into something, a movement in the beginning to now it's kind of pop culture.
Yeah, 1,300.
1,300 gnomes.
That is incredible.
Loquísimo.
You can stop eyeing, you can stop loving them. Like you're insane, super cute.
Super cute. That was the butcher.
The butcher. And actually the locals try to help you to find them because they're not that easy to find.
But the more we followed the map, the more the gnomes started to feel like tiny inside jokes hidden throughout the city.
This guy, a snorer. The people that snore, the people that ronca. There you go, this is for you guys. He's a snoring. He should be having like the mouth open, like.
Like me. We found our favorite gnome that we've been hunting for all day. Check this one out. The Traveler. Look at this guy. And it's only fitting that you find the tourist dwarf in front of a tourist and information center. He's got his little camera and his map, and he's just ready to explore the city.
Feels like us today, like us.
The original YouTuber. It's a gnome on a pole.
In Wrocław, the smallest statues somehow became the best way to explore the city.
Look at him, the musician.
With the guitar and everything.
Con la guitarra. I mean, you just heard the bells, which means it's time for us to unfortunately end our gnome journey.
Thank you so much for watching, and please leave a comment. Which one was your favorite?
Yeah, which one was your favorite?
I think for me, this is probably top 3.
My favorite so far, I think, was the firefighter. They're big.
Yeah, there are like 2 with like a whole action.
Yeah,
Super creative.
Exactly. This is a great way to see the city. If you have young kids, this would be an awesome experience to just take them along and show them some of the history, and then also learn a little bit more about the movement, which is really cool.
Yeah. Thank you for watching, and we love you guys. I hope you enjoy our travels.
See you on the next one.
Bye.
We came for a silly little map, but the dwarves made us slow down and notice parts of WROCLAW we probably would have walked right past.
Don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe, follow us.
Sí, no se olviden de seguirnos y dejarnos todos sus comentarios.